working, and we're gonna re-hook up this
dual flat screen radio.
dual. Oh yeah, it is dual, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Double did.
Cause I like to hook it up wrong. Cause I did it at like 3 in the morning, and I was tired as frig, and I didn't hook up the parking brake wire.
So we're gonna hook up it at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, at night.
Yeah, afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon, but
Yeah.
still at night.
Yeah.
Well, I think
well,
afternoon.
it's afternoon anyways.
Well, I think afternoon is
afternoon.
like
afternoon time. You know what I mean?
yeah, like
Just
no.
around afternoon.
Yeah, just
Just
somewhere after like. I think about it like daytime.
Yeah, I wish I had a ratchet. This is complicated. Poor people's problems. Listen, if you live in Bartle, don't use a wrench. Just go borrow a ratchet from the nearest store. But you can at 10 o'clock at night.
Because we live in Bartle
and all our old neighbors are asleep, so we can't borrow no tools.
No, why would we? We'd never be able to do that.
Especially
Especially.
I only got 332 more twists to go, I promise you.
That's all it's needed. Okay, close up right there. Hands in the way. Oh, that helps too. Perfect lighting.
Yes.
Oh, we need to turn the back one too. Oh yeah. That helped absolutely none. Helped a little bit.
Yeah, I feel like I'm breaking something.
Probably are.
Yeah.
It's a Ford. He'll get over it.
Oh, son of a gun, she stuck it in my buns.
You see that close-up shot? Absolutely nothing.
Can't see nothing.
No.
All you can see is my two hands moving the stuff around.
Well, this teaches you how you remove it from a Lincoln LS. But first we had to remove all that AC stuff, and you know it's already broken. You kind of don't want to see that.
That's why I took it out first before we started videoing.
Yeah.
I wish my cameraman knew how to video. Oopsies, I'm sorry, I forgot you were in the car.
Oh, okay.
I like Vienna sausages.
I bet you like other kinds of sausages, don't you?
Don't tell everybody, please.
Oh, it's just gonna be on YouTube with your whole entire 18, 19 subscribers.
19 including Hope.
I said 19.
You said 18, 19.
I said
Yeah.
18, 19. I
Yeah,
changed.
18, 19. It changed real fast.
It changed real
0
quick.
to 100 nigga real quick.
You're white, you can't say that.
What?
Yeah, I demote the nigga pass.
Hey, you're mixed. I support you. I got a black and white Charger. Get on my level. You don't support me. You do support
I
me.
do support you because I have to.
Why?
Because I just do. I bet you I know more white people than I do mixed people.
I bet you I know more mixed people than I do white people. I just dropped it down in the hole. See what you get when you're messing with me? Oh my gosh, D.
Oh well.
Oh yeah, oh well. It'll be fine. Just
It just doesn't hold the thing in at all. Up.
It'll be all okay once it's all over, baby. I promise.
It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Just rip it out. It'll be fine.
Oh gosh, there it comes. That's the radio. Throw it out the window.
Oh, now we're gonna watch TV here. The only reason why we're doing this is because we want to watch movies.
Pink wire.
Hey, look at that.
But we got one other problem.
Hey, yeah, where's that bolt at?
Whoa, I about dropped it back down in there.
Put it in the slot.
In the soil.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nigga, we made it. Okay, so the plan is, I actually cut my bracket. So all this is not really held in there tight. So actually, while I'm at it, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this off.
Just break it up. After all my hose. Break it up. What does this mean, Danny?
What, that?
Yeah.
That's the factory number. Where'd my wrench go?
Is that supposed to be a factory number? Is that,
Oh yeah, Matt Porter borrowed my wrenches, so I can't take this out.
Oh.
Faggot
Female dog.
Yeah. Female dog.
That's what you were gonna say, wasn't it?
No, yeah, female dog. Matt Porter's a female dog. And if you're watching this, you're a female dog. So, I'm going to get my extra wire and then my surgical dildo. Skyscraper.
So, you know how redneck Denny is?
Just because I got a tan on my neck don't mean nothing.
No. Just the fact that you did this.
Oh, it's a daytime driving lot, and I need brighter lights inside here.
Definitely.
I just fucked it up.
I should have just recorded that. That was amazing. I'll edit this video so it looks good. I don't know how important that factory number is to your car, so it doesn't get stolen or something. I don't know.
No, it's just the parts number.
Oh, okay. Somebody's.
That just be like, oh, that's a nice part. Some weird shit. Don't pull out my pregnancy test. I seen if I was pregnant, and I wasn't. I'll prove everyone on.
They didn't know that was in there, but you know, whatever.
Oh, I thought you were in their video on that. Trying to play some tricks on me. I got a whole box of them brand new.
What do they smell?
I don't know. Beverly Walters, give them to me. A shout out to Beverly Walters, Mr. Jimmy. Yeah, Gucci gang.
They funded the whole entire project of this car.
Yes, because I work for them. You know what I mean?
Oh, hey, he's gonna need some work sometime soon. So if you need, if you need any favors to please you,
I can please anyone.
He's your man. Do they smell? I don't know how they smell.
Minty.
They don't smell minty. They smell like
fresh.
They smell like alcohol and
dildos.
Like rubbing alcohol and that vaccine stuff.
Yeah.
Mixed.
That stuff you put on your wiener.
No.
That's what I. Never mind. Sorry. I didn't mean to bring that up. I thought, I wasn't supposed to tell everyone about that, was I?
No.
Oh. So we're hooking the radio back up. Or we're going to see what we can do here. See what mystery stuff we can come up with. Or we'll go ahead and plug that. Whoa, no. Wait, hold that. Pull it out.
So we're just gonna watch this movie. Good movie. Not really. I don't even know what it is. That's why we're trying to watch it.
It's very old.
It is very old.
My mama had it back from 1972. 73, sorry. I feel like I'm forgetting a ball.
Is that when E.T. came out?
I don't know for sure.
Because that's whenever commercials of E.T. was. I don't know. E.T. was a good movie. I enjoyed it.
Yeah. You know that movie where the house is floating in the air and it gets sucked up or something by like this big tornado? I can't remember what it is. It was a really good movie.
Was it? Was it a cartoon movie?
No. It was like it was pretty. I don't know.
Twister?
What?
Twister?
No. Fuck.
Oh, okay. What is it called?
You know what?
Wizard of Oz.
No. Not that, dude. Come on now.
What?
No, it's this little boy, his brother, and I'm pretty sure their dad, and their mom's either in the hospital with a baby or some stuff like that, and just everything's all screwed up. The house is floating in the air, all kinds of stuff. Dogs barking.
Sounds like Wizard of Oz to me.
No, there ain't no Tin Man in this, I promise.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here's the test. See if it works.
Did you hook up the reverse light?
Yes, I did.
You did?
We're watching The Scorpion.
We're gonna play like 3 seconds of it because of copyright claims. Unless you want to get demonetized.
No.